Hello guys, today I'm in the back seat of this beautiful X7. For a change, I'm starting the video in the back seat because in the recent times I have never come across any car that has a better back seat than this. So I thought of starting the video from the back seat today. So let me show you all the goodies here. So it has got automated peasant blockers, and also it has got the controls for sunroof. Here you have the sunroof, small sunroof, and also on the top you can control this as well. And as you can see, it has got beautiful ambient lighting running on the glass as well. Here you have got iPad holder. It's a beautiful, very beautiful seat. It has got amazing recline. These are two captain seats which has amazing recline angle. So pretty comfortable seats. So that is why I wanted to start the video from the back seat. And you can see this is the cabin in the front. So let me jump to the driving seat and show you guys, start the POV. So let's start the video. Wow, such a beautiful crystal here. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not. So I'd like to thank my another friend for lending out this beautiful car today. So basically I drove the old X7. My uncle he bought it when first X7 was out, but this being 2025, the updated Msport X7, boy, I am blown away with this car. I didn't know there was another Range Rover Defender showroom here. So I was blown away when I first got to drive this car. So I drove it from his house to here. So all my impressions that I'm going to put out in the video are pretty first-hand experience. Like I always do, it's raw and exactly what I feel in my head is coming out. So why I'm saying that I'm shocked by the performance of this car is, the last time I was in an X7, that was the old version. It had many flaws. Like the suspension was not that great. The car was wobbly. Like if you guys have come across my recent GLS video, that car was not at all satisfying. That's exactly how the old X7 felt. But the new one, they have corrected all their wrongdoings. Boy oh boy, this car is brilliant. The suspension, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't feel like a big SUV. It feels exactly how a sedan feels. Very, very planted and very cushiony in the potholes as well. That's a beautiful combination only few cars can attain. One car that has done it brilliantly was Range Rover Autobiography. Next, I think only this car is doing the suspension job that great. First thing. Second thing, if somebody is put into the seat without showing the outdoor of this car, he'll definitely feel like he's in some raised sedan, because the way it handles the corners, the way it handles the highways is exceptional. I think that's the beauty of all the BMWs. Boy, they are so good at the way they handle. And interior quality, like any other BMW, very robustly built, very beautiful materials used everywhere in the car. So it's not wow in here, but it's not bad. This lasts. This is something even after 10 years will not age. Simple yet very reliable and useful. Exactly what BMW does the best. So today I'm going to make this video into two parts. First part, I'll be driving in the city until the highway. So till then it will be POV in the city, in the traffic. After that, once I get to the motorway, I'm going to make a very long POV today. I'm going to drive it for like a very long and like 30-40 kilometers, because I just love this car, the way it pulls and the way it handles on the highway. So I want to show you how it does at the high speeds as well. So let us try to hit some good speeds, not breaking any laws here, but yeah, we'll do some good speed and I'll make you guys experience how it feels. So I don't know how BMW has done this, but like you see, this is a very bad patch of road. Like there are a few potholes there, hardly anything in the cabin. The cabin is so well put together. There are no jolts, and noise cancellation in this car is top notch. Maybach level, I should say. I'm not comparing this car to GLS or what other cars are there in this segment, but it is punching above its weight. It is easily comparable to Range Rover and Maybach, because the comforts in this car are that high. When I was talking about the rear seat, I mean it. That's the best in class seat that I've seen recently. The only thing that the seat is missing is some lumbar support. Not lumbar support, but thigh support. If there is something that comes up like Maybach, that's a first class seat. That is what is just missing. Other than that, that seat reclines. It has a beautiful recline angle. Boy, when I sat in GLS, I was shocked to know that reclining angle is not more than a sedan without no reclining angle. I was shocked. But in this car, the reclining angle is a lot. You feel very relaxed. That's like epic back seat. I can't say anything more than that. So today in this video, I'll show you how well this car pulls, and how amazing the engine is. It hardly feels like a big 7-seater because of the engine. That beautiful inline 6-cylinder BMW engine picks up without any turbo lag, picks up without any lag, like just like that. It's so effortless. This car was or is supposed to have a lot more fan base than it actually has. It deserves a lot more. I don't know why this car is not having that kind of fan base and or popularity in the society, but this car deserves a lot. Even in this tight spaces, it doesn't feel tight. It wraps around you pretty well. It's very easy to drive. Sometimes I myself am forgetting that I'm in this big huge car. It feels like a X3 or X5 at max, but it is, I think, 1 feet longer than a X5. The screen is very crisp and very modern. There is hardly any lag in the screen. Shows the detailing very well, and as you know, it has got this gesture control and all to increase the volume, change the track, etc. and etc. All that BMW stuff. The heads-up display is pretty big, and right now I've put it in some sports display where it's showing exactly I don't know, maybe it's an aero stuff that is displaying there. The steering for this big SUV in any other car, in any other brand, they would have given a large steering, but this one I think this is doing the trick on your mind, where it is making you feel like you are sitting in a sports sedan. The steering is very compact, and it has got not so great pedals, which doesn't feel premium. They are plastic, but the steering has a very good leather feel to it. See, here you get a opening. I just push the accelerator and it takes off like this in a GIF. Sometimes it is frightening how it picks up. So it's very, very interesting. Like that you get to speeds like 50-60 in no time. So when I was driving the GLS, I could feel the width of the car. I was kind of scared to drive it rashly, like I've told in that video many times that I am scared and I'm not getting used to this car that easily. But now in this car it feels like some small SUV wherein I'm very confident to drive it to the fullest and unleash its potential. So even on the speed breakers, as you can see, it doesn't carry its wobble very long. It contains itself within like few seconds, like 1 or 2 seconds. So which makes the car feel very planted.